Hello, advanced English learners. Welcome back. Recently in our community, we shared books and films that have had the most profound impact on us. It was definitely an eye-opening discussion, and if you yourself would like to participate in those, then I'd encourage you to join our community, Explearning Academy. Sign up at academy.explearning.co. We'd love to have you. Today, we're talking about mindset techniques to help you improve your communication skills in English. Good communication is an essential skill for success in many areas of life, including personal and professional relationships. One way to improve your communication skills is to use visualization techniques to help you better understand and convey your message to others. Visualization involves using your imagination to create mental images of what you want to communicate. This can help you clarify your thoughts and ideas and also make it easier for others to understand your message. For example, if you're trying to explain a complex concept to someone, you might visualize a diagram or chart to help you organize your thoughts and explain the concept in a clear and concise way. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you improve your communication and social skills in English. By using your imagination to create these mental images that we talked about, you can better understand and convey your message to the people you're interacting with. This can help you engage your audience, clarify your thoughts, and make your message more memorable. There are several visualization techniques that you can use to improve your communication in English. For example, you can try mind mapping, storytelling, drawing or sketching, and role-playing. Each of these techniques can help you organize your thoughts, practice using the language in real-life situations, and learn new vocabulary and even grammar rules. The following strategies and visualization techniques are not only useful in a communication setting and improving your social skills and communication skills, but also very useful for learning a second language such as English. Mind mapping. You can create a mind map to organize the vocabulary and grammar rules you're learning. For example, you might create a mind map showing the different verb tenses and how they are used in English. This can help you see the big picture and understand how the different parts of the language fit together. Storytelling. You can use storytelling to practice using English in real-life situations and scenarios. For example, you might create a short story about going to the grocery store and practice speaking the story out loud in English. This can help you improve your speaking and comprehension skills. Drawing or sketching. You can use drawing or sketching to practice English vocabulary and grammar. For example, you might draw a picture of a house and label the different parts of the house in English. This can also help you to learn new words and phrases and see how they're used in a sentence. Role-playing. You can use role-playing to practice English speaking in various scenarios. For example, you might role-play a conversation between a customer and a store clerk, or a conversation between two friends or colleagues. This can help you improve your speaking skills, your listening skills, and your social skills. Overall, using visual techniques can be a powerful and useful way to improve your English skills as a second language L2 English learner. These techniques can help you organize your thoughts, practice using the language in real-life situations, and learn new vocabulary, phrases, and even grammar rules. Are you ready to put this into practice? Well, I have a set of quests for you to complete if you're a member of our private community, Explearning Academy. So if you would like the quests, the weekly plan of exercises, the discussion that goes along with it, and an opportunity to submit questions or ask me live in real time, then you can sign up for our community by going to academy.explearning.co or simply use the link down below. Hope to see you there. As you can see, visualization is a powerful tool for improving your communication skills in English. By using your imagination to create mental images, you can better understand and convey your message to others. This can help you engage your audience, clarify your thoughts and your message, and make your message much more memorable so they'll never forget what you said. There are several visualization techniques that we spoke about which you can use to improve your communication in English, such as mind mapping, storytelling, drawing or sketching, and role-playing. These techniques can help you organize your thoughts, practice using the language in real situations, in real contexts, and learn new vocab, grammar, phrasal verbs, and expressions. So to practice these techniques, you can try activities such as creating mind maps, telling stories to your conversation partners, drawing or sketching, and even role-playing. By using your imagination and tapping into your creativity, you can make learning English much more fun, engaging, and effective. Overall, visualization can be a great tool for you to use to improve your communication skills in English. Thank you for joining me. Definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow our podcast, and share it with anyone you think would benefit from improving their communication skills and social skills and reach social fluency in English. All right, see you next time. Bye for now.